Welcome today to the Edison training facility in New Jersey. The excitement that's here is second to none. We really work very hard to engage with school districts and elected officials and everybody. Our entire team, from our instructors to our directors and coordinators, our staff, council representatives, and everybody really works very hard to make sure we're connected to the community.
This is my first time visiting this training facility. I'll say that I'm thoroughly impressed, but I would also expect to be impressed because I think that we know the impact that the Carpenters Union has in New Jersey, and just certainly from my own experiences in the city of Camden, we see firsthand the level and the work that the Carpenters bring to the table.
We're here celebrating registered apprenticeships. We have a 4-year New Jersey State Register program that allows kids to come into a family-sustaining career, earning wages and benefits.
The beauty of an apprentice program is you don't start as a carpenter, you end as a carpenter. And so that apprentice program takes you there. But what really building trade union and unions offer is the opportunity for people to have somebody on their side when it comes to negotiating wages, somebody who sticks up for them. What it really does is it offers a career.
Thinking about the pre-apprentice program, there's so many layers that have been thought about. And I'm so happy I came because, again, I heard about it, but now seeing it with my own 2 eyes and listening and seeing the investment and how everything's been thought about. It's very, very cool, very interesting.
We have the ability to show the next generation what the quality of work is, and if there's an interest there, we then have the ability through these kinds of centers to connect the dots for some people who may be a first-generation carpenter or a first-generation union member.
Our retirees come back, our contractors come back, everybody comes back to support us and help us, and it's because of the people that came before us why the opportunities are here today.